Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can increase the views on your Instagram story. I'm just going to take a picture of this real quick. Go to the stickers tab and you're going to add in the location. You're going to select any location that you want so that when people are on the location they can click your story and you'll get more views. Then you can also add in hashtags. You're going to want to add in these hashtags: viral, viral. Then you're going to want to add more. There's viral, trending, explore page, explore, and FYP. You can also mention some people. You're going to want to mention like Instagram. You're going to want to mention also Leo Messi for some reasons. You're also going to want to mention oh my god, I'm gonna be bombarded with his fans if I don't mention this right. Cristiano, that's what I meant. And then you're also going to mention this username. It's MAHI7781. So you're going to want to do that. I know. And you can just hide it here. And that's how you can increase your Instagram story views. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.